Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe something you do regularly that helps you work and study better. You should say what it is, when you do it, how it helps you, and explain how you feel when you do it. So, for a question like this, you can talk about anything. Maybe you listen to music every day, or you go to the gym or exercise, or maybe you play some kind of outdoor games, or you indulge in some outdoor activities like swimming, or you like playing badminton or cricket. So, you can talk about anything for a question like this. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, there are various regular activities that a person engages in on a daily basis, as well as which varies depending on an individual's occupation, personal interests, and lifestyle. And today, I would like to speak about my yoga and meditation regime, which I am quite fond of and hence practice daily. So varies means differs. Occupation means job. Personal interest, that means personal likes or dislikes. Fond of means to like something. Alright, so let's continue. Since I am an early bird, I like to wake up before the morning sun rises, after which I go to the park in my locality, walk for a while, and then perform yoga to build up my core strength, enhance my cardiovascular health, as well as improve my overall flexibility and mental well being. So as you all can see, we used an idiom here which is early bird, which means to do things really quickly or early. Locality means nearby area or neighborhood. And we used a range of adjectives here like cardiovascular health, which means heart health. Enhance means improve. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I engage in meditation techniques which involves regulated breathing patterns and is known to increase concentration, act as a stress buster as well as boost productivity. So stress buster means to remove you of your stress or to get rid of your stress. Boost means to enhance or to improve. So you can add all of these vocabulary words to your vocabulary list and next time when you're practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so we have answered the first three questions. And the last question, which is explain how you feel when you do it, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel on cloud nine as this activity gives me an opportunity for introspection as well as enjoy the fresh, clean, and green environment. It also helps me to stay close to Mother Nature as well as rejuvenate my mind, body, and soul. So, feel on cloud nine is again an idiom which means to be very happy. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for our lexical resources part later on. Introspection means to observe yourself or to look at yourself very closely or deeply. And rejuvenate means to refresh yourself. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.